Hi, I'm Bobbi Brown, makeup artist, founder of Jones Road Beauty. And for those of you guys that know me, you know I always like to do things really simple, keep things easy, and that means use products for more than one thing. So I want to talk to you about things you could use double duty. So I'm going to show you some ways to really keep it simple and use your brush for more than one thing. I'm using the shaping brow brush to fill in your brows with the brown shadow. And it's great when you have full brows. So then I'm going to use the brush. I cleaned it off so it still doesn't have dark on it. And then I'm using it to give a little bit of density of the shimmer. I'm putting bronze on your eyelid. And this brush works really well because it catches the pigment and helps deposit it and blend it on the eyelid. And the trick is always make sure you wipe off the brush between different colors. One of my favorite things is to do it on the inner corner and a little bit underneath. Why I like to put it here, it's just like a little bit of a jewel. You see this a lot on the red carpet and on the runway, it just adds a little bit of highlight. This brush is also great to get serums on your eyebrows, on your eyelashes. It's a real versatile brush for sure. I also love this angled brow brush because you could line your eyes. I'm using a dark shadow, close for a second, and it's angled and it's slanted, but it's soft enough not to scratch your eyelid and allows you to get really close to the lash line. Then I'm going to show you a surprise way to use it after we clean it off. The slanted brush is so good for applying lipstick because you can add definition to the lip almost instead of a lip liner. It's so easy. Just adds nice, precise line. And the lip looks so pretty on you. And guess what? You can even use Smile Again. Just a little bit to the apple of the cheek. And you are good to go. This angled brush is also really great for brows, and it really gets in any kind of holes you have, fills it in, and then you could just use the other spoolie side to groom your brows, and it gives you really good precision. So this works for your eyebrows, your eyeliner, and your lips. That's a pretty good deal. This is the master tweezer for getting all those little hairs. And you could also apply some individual lashes at the ends of your eyes. I love sparkle. I'm not afraid of it any time of the year, but during the holiday, that's when you can have some fun. You could layer textures, play with colors, and just really go to town. See how easy it is to speed your makeup application, make you look good for anything, any party you're going to, and honestly, use your products wisely. Use your sparkle, use your brushes, do it quickly. It's not complicated.